Hey guys, welcome back on Vids for you. My name is Nilay. Today in this video, we have something unique, something different, which is inspired by light and sound. A good guy from Divoom.com has sent it to me for taking a look at. As you can see, we get many category products, starting from indoor, active, outdoor and smart. Right now we have this Tivoo-Max smart Bluetooth speaker with pixel art. It looks like retro speaker, but it has a tons of features on it. On the front of the box, it has product design with pixel art, while on the bottom core features 2.0 audio with subwoofer, pixel art creation, online community, smart alarm and event notification. On the rear, few specs with barcode from Divoom Smart app for iOS and Android device. I believe it's available on crowdfunding at around $100 only, which is an insane price for something this good. After the campaign ends, the price would be $150. I will drop a link to it in below description section if you guys want to check current price or if you are interested in picking it up for yourself. Currently it's available in white and black colors only. Now let's see what we got inside the box. On the first we have speaker. It's a really eye-catching design. Looks like retro TV with modern design. Let's put it aside. With this black box we have something stickers and postcard. Finally we have this user manual. Moreover, we have a USB Type-C and aux if you wish to play directly. It's a lovely speaker that not only looks great on your table, but also actually delivers on the sound quality. The animations are so much fun, and it comes with an app to customize your animations and play around more. On the front display comes with 256 programmable LEDs. It's a 16x16 app-enabled LED panel with minimal bezels. It is nice, shiny, curved finish with approximately 8-inch screen if measured diagonally. The maximum weight is roughly 1400 grams while 18.5 centimeters tall. This small little chrome legs provides grip on any surface with the rubber feet at the bottom, which also prevent from vibrating while playing music. It's a 2.1 stereo audio setup. It has a 10-volt left speaker and other 10-volt right speaker. Above that, a small button let you work with Bluetooth or change tracks. The bigger one let you change channels, change effect and adjust brightness. On the back it provides 20-volt active subwoofer along with bass port at the middle. Lastly, a power button. If you pull this little rubber cap out, inside that you get aux port, micro USB charging port and micro SD card slot. It has a 8000 mAh battery which gives approx 9 hours of playback. The best of it supports Bluetooth 5.0. which gives up to 10 meters wireless range. The volume controls on the top gives it premium look, which made some nice touch sensitive. Adjacent to that is a play button, which also works for answer and reject calls. Holding will allow you to record your voice. However, once played, the message will be erased. The clock symbol let you set your timer and alarm. Now with the pixel art you can do lot of stuff from the Divoom app. Download and register. After connecting via Bluetooth, here is a main screen named as Discover. With the design you can record your own design and save. Here you can animate your saved design and make them move. The editor allows you to display your text. While on the tools you have notification on off for this all social media, daily planner, memorial calendar, stopwatch, countdown meter, scoreboard, noise meter, lastly game. Just tap on the go and use this control here to play games. You can set sleep, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, alarm, chat. Most interestingly, sound mixer allows you to set preferred effects on your song, voice message. On the channel you can set up clock design on off, weather, temperature and calendar for your screensaver, on off lightings or set your preferred color, recommended, VJ effects, visualizers and custom. Actually I like this most real-time effects. On a Galleria, here you get random creations from many people. It's a ton of effects which you can add as your favorite. Next is the music, which supports streaming radio. Also you can play local songs. In TF audio, the SD card songs will show up here and setting. Okay, I know you says how does it sounds. Well, without any further ado, here are some sound tests. Tivoo-Max is a 40-watt Bluetooth speaker which is best in class. The custom pixel art makes it unique. I would say it's a full package with sound and fun lights. Speaker will make your party rocking, whether it's outdoor or indoor, with its whooping sound quality. Great product build quality, great sound even to maximum volume limit, no lag with Bluetooth connection, the super portable Bluetooth speaker with style and surprisingly big sound, clear, crisp and full of big beautiful bars, and even better with the 10 hours of playback. You can take it anywhere. Also, you can customize all LED with your choice. This product is value for money with the big screen and retro style pixel art animation. For now, signing off, and I see you in the next one. Hit the like button for appreciation and please subscribe. Thank you for being with me, and don't forget to share this video with your family and friends.